improv comedy show. Some opinions and statements are exaggerated for entertainment purposes. The views expressed on Cancel Court are solely those of the individuals providing them and do not reflect the opinions of Defiant Digital or their respective affiliates or employees. Basically, we're gonna piss a lot of people off, but fuck it. Cancel Court with Judge Tony Towns. In this episode, the trial of Lil Nas X.
If it wasn't for sucking dick and worshiping the devil, we wouldn't have Hot Topic as a store. Little bitches would have no outfits to wear.
And now, let's go to the courtroom. In this quarter, the defense. This time, he's looking LA as fuck. Say hello to Teddy Ray. And in this quarter, the prosecution. He won his last case. Now we can't tell him shit. Say hello to Ron Taylor, aka Ron T. Come to order. Cancel Court is now in session with Judge Tony Towns.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are here today to determine if hip-hop star and rapper Monterio Lamar Hill, aka Lil Nas X, should be canceled immediately. We have Mr. Ron Taylor representing the prosecution and the defense represented by Mr. Teddy Ray. Mr. Ray, it's good to see you in my courtroom looking very clear-eyed and presentable.
What that shit do, bro? You know, it was a little celebration. Casamigos for the freakos last night, so.
You look very presentable. You look like a public defender.
That's why I brought my very public defendery type glasses, you feel me? You ain't the only nigga in here with bifocals.
Well, I appreciate that because last time I recall when you were in my courtroom, some questioned whether you was high off the kush, the reefers, the weed, the devil's nectar.
I got all of it. How much you trying to buy?
I don't buy pharmaceuticals, sir. I'm glad that you're here. You're awakened and not bacon today. So thank you for being here today.
Right on.
Prosecution and defense will begin with opening statements. Both sides will present factual evidence that will help the court decide the outcome of this case. We will end with closing arguments. Once completed, the jury of your peers will decide the fate of Mr. Lil Nas X with a clear and decisive decision. What are the rules in my court? There are no rules in my court. That's the beauty of Cancel Court. It's not up to me to decide this case. It's not up to the beautiful bailiff, the bodacious Miss Ariel, though many people are more interested in you than the case. I completely understand.
It'd be like that.
The focus is on this case. We will begin with the prosecution. Please begin with your opening statement.
All righty. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I'm gonna try my hand at canceling an artist, I guess. Not for his personal lifestyle choices, but mainly because this nigga's a villain. When did we start splitting hairs about right and wrong? This nigga loved the devil. That ain't right. This ain't fucking Vampire in Brooklyn, okay? Evil ain't good. Evil's evil. Why would we not cancel him? This is not the Joker. This is a little boy dressing up in beautiful clothing, sucking the devil's dick. I'm sorry, but the nigga canceled himself. For what reason would you slide down a stripper pole from heaven and fuck the devil? That ain't right. We got to cancel this nigga, not just for the kids, but for humanity. I'm not following no nigga that worship the devil. White people ain't got no time to worship the devil. Leave that shit to white people. You don't worship the devil. That's it.
Thank you, Mr. Ron T. Mr. Teddy Ray, please proceed with your opening statement.
Yes, sir. I'm here today to apparently defend.
Yes.
Were you not prepared for this?
I mean, you know, there was options on who to defend, and I stand up for this young black man. He's still a black man, Ron. I don't care who he twerks on. Why we care about where he go clap his ass cheek? See, that's the problem. He wants y'all's attention. He's an attention whore. If he's guilty of anything, he's an attention whore, he's a troll, but he's a good kid. I met his brother, we smoked blunts at the Dime on Fairfax.
Whoa.
His brother is not gay. But sharing blunts with a nigga could be looked upon as a gay act. I've heard it. Especially when young thugs start suggesting that niggas were smoking on penises because they blunts were so fat. It got weird. In the weed game. Okay. You hate seeing 9 niggas on one blunt. You be like, that shit gay, ain't it?
Yes.
Okay. So here we got a man trying to live in his truth, and we shut him. We beg for these niggas, come out the closet, reveal yourself. And when they do, we be like, get your ass back in there, shut the fuck up. That don't make sense. So I'm defending Lil Nas X because why? He's a human, my nigga, like, come on now. All that devil worshiping, he don't mean that. That was a CGI devil. You know how much it costs to shoot in hell? To film, nigga, that location budget, you know what that is, bro? Come on now. So, man, shout out to Nas X. I don't even know what to say, bro.
Thank you, Mr. Teddy Ray. You
Yeah.
can have a seat.
Okay.
Now we will begin with presenting your evidence. Mr. Ron T., you may present your first piece of evidence to the court, please.
First of all, I'd like to say, I'm not shitting on this young man for being gay. Let's just get that out the way now. There'll be no gay bashing happening today. But I will say the nigga's extra. That's a lot. That's a lot, dog. I mean, I don't know if y'all saw his video. He was in jail with like 20 naked niggas, and they were all choreographed. It's not that much organization in jail. Trust me, I know. It's not that many talented niggas in jail willing to dance.
Kelly?
Fair, but not in a row. Mind you, they're dancing in a shower. Very dangerous. You shouldn't be sending that off to kids. Do not dance in a shower. They were all bucket naked, dancing. That's a lot, man. I haven't seen a fucking heterosexual video with 20 naked bitches. They tried to cancel Nelly and Tip Drill for sliding a credit card down a woman's ass crack. Beautiful scene. But we can't cancel this nigga for having sex in a locker room, pulling out condoms. When the last time you saw a condom in a rap video? This nigga pulled out Durex. Wasn't even Magnum, little dick nigga.
Wow.
They had many choices. He chose that. That's my thing. Be gay. Make love to a man. But you ain't got to be fucking boys. In a locker room? This is his video. We just put it out there. I'm not saying the video shouldn't exist, but damn, I mean, maybe we should bring back BET Uncut. This shit just on Jesus' World Wide Web. You type in baby videos, and what comes up? Lil Nas fucking a boy in a locker room after a football game. I've played football. That's the last thing I'm trying to do, is do some fucking in the locker room. All I'm saying is it's a lot. That's what he does. He does a lot. He an extra ass nigga. Why would you go to hell and fuck the devil and then come out with devil shoes? For what reason? With blood in the shoes. Who wants that? Montero, that's his name. What does Montero mean? I looked it up. Montero is a horseman's cap. Lil Nas is cap. Lil Nas is a lie. The devil is a lie.
Wow.
The devil is a lie. Can we cancel this nigga, please? I don't want to buy your bloody shoes. Don't put fucking Bible chapters on your shoe, which just express how the devil lost. Why would you walk around in loser shoes? For what reason? I want to wear winter shoes. You put Jesus or Jordan on mine. Don't put the devil on my shoes. We've canceled worse for less. So, let's cancel this nigga, man.
Aw, shit. I can taste the rainbow. Cancel Court will be right back. Do you think cancel culture has gone too far? Entertainers stepping down. Celebrities speaking out. Cancel culture needs order.
Don't get to benefit off of our culture when you break the fucking rules.
What are we fighting for here? Why are we keeping this nigga?
Welcome to Cancel Court.
There's so many people with black cards that I feel like should be getting revoked before we get down to Kanye.
A black card being revoked? This motherfucker's Christian card should be revoked.
When are we going to call Will out for anything? This nigga is making all these choices.
Jada, can you chill?
Stop painting this picture that Jordan was up against a segregated team from the South, like he was playing the Klan by himself.
Who is this attached to Lil Wayne?
Your Honor, I'm not gonna let a man with feet of a bad bitch sit here and tell me about the baby.
Air this bitch out.
She pulling a strap, Your Honor?
This bitch out there.
Order in this court. Now all you niggas are about to get thrown out.
Oh, shit.
What up? This is your boy Doughboy with a very, very special shout out to my little brother, my comrade, Teddy Ray. Brother, we miss you. We all love you. And myself and all your other comrades and brothers and sisters in comedy, we're gonna do everything to keep your legacy alive. And you definitely going down as one of the GOATs in this thing, man. Rest in power, King. To my little brother, Teddy Ray. Love you, boy.
Is it my turn?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Mr. Ray, what's in that cup?
I told you Casamigos for the Fricos.
I'm not reading. What's Casamigos for the Fricos?
Keep sipping and talk to the bailiff. She'll tell you.
We'll talk about this in my chamber. Thank you. Do you have any rebuttals to his presentation and some
I only
own
got
evidence?
one thing to say. Is this church? I'm not here to discuss all of this, what he does with the devil and all that. That's you and your emotions and all of that. Everybody ain't Christian on this planet, okay? It's a lot of channels to watch in the world. It's a lot of things. I like HGTV. When I get home, you better not change my fucking channel. I want to see Property Brothers. I want to see House Hunters. I want to see House Hunters International. That's what I like. But you, Mr. Montero, what do you research? What do you look up? You a fan of Lil Nas X? Congratulations, I've never seen none of the videos. I'm just here simply to defend a young nigga bossing up, doing himself. Of course a gay nigga gonna book hella gay niggas to be in this video. That's not even a thought, Ron. If you was gay, you would want the thickest niggas on earth.
Objection.
That's your video.
Ridiculous. Why are we even talking about something that's not real?
Cause I'm just, he don't have, like you don't think about a gay mind?
So what's your point, Mr. Ray?
I'm saying this nigga's been gay since he's been gay. And he gonna keep being gay. He can't ungay how gay he is. Say it with me, Ron. He gonna be gay anyway. Everybody try to come down on the Judaism and the blood shoes. That was a lot. But Charlie Sheen was selling tiger's blood. Didn't nobody give a fuck. Got bitches online selling used panties. $40, $60. I see the receipts. Nobody cares. Women be like, oh, I get in. I got some panties. Everybody want to do some weird shit before we leave this earth. But he the one nigga that said, no, I'm going to do this shit. 70 million views, 100 million views. That's why you hating. How many views your podcast got? 11,000? You want that nigga fan base. You wish niggas would clap their ass to your podcast. Case closed.
Mr. Ray, you had some interesting perspectives there. Might I ask, out of curiosity, did you purchase any of those panties?
Hell no.
Oh, interesting.
I kick it with hustlers, women that really get money out of niggas. So, yeah, they tell me what's up.
Interesting. It's interesting that last time you were in my courtroom, you were saying that hip-hop rapper Lil Wayne should be canceled. Now you're saying that hip-hop rapper Lil Nas X shouldn't be canceled.
Hey, don't do me like that, bro. I come to court, I pick a side, and I go home, my nigga. I'm just here for a check, bro. You know how this go.
I respect that, and I get that, but that just makes my point here. That's why we brought in today a celebrity expert witness who has a background in controversy. We have Mr. Billy Sorrells here as
What
our
the fuck?
expert witness. Mr. Billy.